Good morning, students. In today's class, we'll discuss about the order Cetaceans. It's commonly known as dolphin, whale, and porpoises. Around 70 to 78 species are not till it is identified till now. They are the only mammals that live the entire lives in water. Only manatees and there is dugong and the cetaceans, they live their entire life in water. They can remain underwater for much longer period than most other mammals. Cetaceans' eyes are set on the sides rather than in front of the head. Cetaceans also use sound to communicate, that is echolocation. They breathe air through blowholes. Blowhole is a structure that presents the upper side of the skull, that nose-like structure in mammals called blowholes. See, there, if you see some video, they are spraying the water through blowholes. They have the baleen plates. Baleen plates, generally the baleen whales have the characteristics of baleen plates. Baleen plates are used for filter feeding for the organisms. Below the baleen plates, the throat plates are also present. In some specimen, dorsal fin is large, and in some specimen, dorsal fin are short. So these are the some characters. A number of blowholes are the characteristics of toothed whale and baleen whale. Toothed whale has
आवाज कट रहा है सर.
आवाज कट रहा है.
हेलो.
हेलो हेलो
नेटवर्क इशू है सर.
नेटवर्क अभी अभी क्लियर नहीं है.
सर ठीक है.
रुक जाओ, 1 मिनट रुक जाओ.
सर राजू की तरफ से भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है.
अच्छा, आदर्श को वॉइस क्लियर आ रहा है.
यस सर.
ओके ओके. नेटवर्क का इशू नहीं, स्टूडेंट्स का इशू हो सकता है. Okay. The main difference of fishes and mammals are the fluke or the caudal fin. There it is horizontal, and in fishes, according to the fishes, if the spindle shape body is there, according to that, the caudal fin will be there. But in case of here, it is 90-degree angle, horizontal. Primitive whales evolved during the mid-Eocene period, that is about 50 million years ago. Fossil remains indicate that the whale evolved from hoofed and mammals, perhaps the hyena-like Mesonichid. That is, from the Mesonichid, it has evolved. All the cetaceans, including whales, dolphin, porpoise, are descendants of land-living mammals of the Artiodactyl. Okay. They have well developed, well adapted for aquatic life. Body is fusiform or streamlined body for fast swimming. Anterior limbs are modified into flippers, and posterior limbs are vestigial or absent. Nostrils are represented by a single blowhole. On the Single blowhole means if single nostril, single blowhole. If two nostril, then two blowhole on the top of the head. No hair except a few hair on the muzzle. No skin gland except the mammary gland and the gland associated with eyes. No external ear, relatively small eyes.
सर
There are many
फ्यूजीफॉर्म बॉडी क्या होता है?
streamlined fusiform. Fusiform body means the body shape of tuna, mackerel. These body are called as fusiform body. Okay.
मतलब मुड़ा हुआ रहेगा वही?
मुड़ा हुआ नहीं, both side tapering और नॉर्मल जो तुम्हारा
सर लेकिन फिश का तो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है स्ट्रीमलाइन बॉडी होना चाहिए।
हाँ फिश का भी बॉडी स्ट्रीमलाइन
तो
कौन सा फिश
टूना
का
मैकेरल में कैसे फ्यूजीफॉर्म होगा?
फ्यूज
मतलब
फिश
जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक जब फिश का पढ़ते हैं तो उसमें लिखा होता है कि स्ट्रीमलाइन बॉडी।
स्ट्रीमलाइन बॉडी और फ्यूजिफॉर्म बॉडी। फ्यूजी नॉर्मल जो बॉडी शेप होता है फिश का, दैट बॉडी शेप इज कॉल्ड अ स्ट्रीमलाइन और फ्यूजिफॉर्म. Okay, that both side tapering and middle side is bulgy. This body form is called as fusiform or streamlined body. In mammals also streamlined body is there. See, this body is streamlined, na?
Okay.
This is streamlined. That means the both side is tapering and middle side is bulgy. Okay. Toothed whale and baleen whale. The toothed whale, the main character is of presence of teeth, and in baleen whale, the presence of baleen plates. They are the predators that use their peg-like teeth to catch fish, squids, and marine mammals. They have single blowhole. Okay, and in case of baleen whale, they have two blowhole. They sieve tiny crustaceans, small fish, and other tiny organisms from the water with the baleen. Baleen is a comb-like structure that filters the baleen whale's food from water. Generally, toothed whale are in size. Generally, toothed whale are smaller in size as compared to baleen whales. Okay, they have two nostril. Whether in case of toothed whale, it has single nostril. Okay. The suborder is Odontoceti, and there the suborder is Mysticeti. Okay. There are so many families are there. Families like Phygesteridae, Ziphidae, Coggidae, Delphinidae, then Platinestidae, Monodontidae. Okay. These are the families. In Phygesteridae means the sperm whale. In Phygesteridae, the main character is the presence of teeth in the lower jaw. Okay. I'm just telling the main characteristics. In sperm whale, see the picture and the figure. They are the presence of teeth in only lower jaw. 18 to 25 conical teeth on lower jaw only. Okay. They produces ambergris, that is a value that produces perfumes. Okay. The example is Physeter macrocephalus, the sperm whale. Next comes Coggidae, that is pygmy and dwarf sperm whale. They have also teeth present in lower jaw, but number is more, 24 to 32. Example are Coggia breviceps. Okay. Next is Ziphidae. Ziphidae means beaked whale. They are the medium-sized cetaceans. They have a pronounced beak, relatively small dorsal fin, set back on the body, small flippers that fit into the depression on the sides. Okay. Not more than 1 to 2 pairs of functional teeth in lower jaw of male only. Most are thought in deep diving squid feeders. Okay, they generally travel in small groups. Other cetaceans are travel in larger groups. The example are Indopachytus pacificus, Indo-Pacific beaked whale, and Mesoplodon peruvianus. Okay. Next comes the family Delphinidae, that is the marine dolphins. In family Delphinidae, there are so many species are there. This contains the highest number of species, 36 species, including 17 genera. Streamlined fusiform body, a noticeable beak, conical teeth, and a large falcate dorsal fin. The main characteristics of each Delphinidae is a large dorsal fin. Examples are Delphinus capensis, Orcinus orca. Orcinus orca means killer whale. Then our Irrawaddy dolphin is there. Irrawaddy dolphin means Orciella brevirostris. These all includes the family Delphinidae. Okay. Try to remember one or two main characteristics and the examples. Next comes the Platanistidae. The Platanistidae means freshwater. First is whale, dolphin, then porpoises. Platanistidae means freshwater dolphin. Okay, their body is small. The animals in this family are nearly blind. Their eyes are very small. Okay, that's why the freshwater dolphins are often the collision with the ships and the major threats with the ship channel area. We were finding so many dead dolphins are there. Okay. There is a long forceps-like beak with front teeth and extend outside the closed mouth. No true dorsal fin, only a low dorsal ridge. Okay. In case of Delphinidae, there the dorsal fin is very large. Example is Platanista gangetica. That is the gangetic dolphin. It is the India's national aquatic animal. Next comes the Phocinidae. Phocinidae means porpoises. They are all are the smaller cetaceans. They tend to be coastal in distribution, either a short, indistinct beak or no beak at all. Most have a short, triangular dorsal fin, and all have a spade-shaped teeth. In case of dolphin and whales, they have the triangular shaped teeth, but in case of spade-shaped means they are like our molariform teeth, na? They are the blunt teeth. Okay. Examples are Neophocina, Phocinoides. Last one is the belugas and narwhals. In some marine aquariums, na, they are the in some advertisement also. In some background, some dolphins are coming. Na, this is the beluga. Both species are inhabited in Arctic and subarctic areas of the northern hemisphere. This is a family with small whales with stocky bodies and blunt, bulbous heads. Okay, broad rounded flippers and no dorsal fin. Example: Delphinopterus leucus, that is beluga, and Monodon monoceros. Okay. Okay. I'll share the note. Okay, students. Thank you. If any question is there, then please ask. Otherwise, I will end today's class. Okay. Thank you. I am ending today's class.